Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here. Thanks for watching my videos. It's March 17th of 2018 and answering a viewer question today on how I organize my coupons. So that's what I'm going to show you today. This is my coupon bag and I carry this with me all the time. Okay, so I always have my coupons with me. And, this method that I use works for me. It might not work for you. So you need to figure out what's best for you. There are a lot of blogs out there that, if you just do a little search on how to organize coupons, you can see lots of other methods that people use for organizing their coupons. I want to have all of my coupons clipped and organized in the categories. So when I'm standing at the toothpaste aisle at the store, I can open up to the toothpaste and I can see what coupons are available. It also, the whole act of clipping the coupons out of the inserts and organizing them into my folders here, kind of sets it in my mind what coupons I have available. And when they expire, I pull them out and I know which coupons are gone. So this works for me because I am actively out there searching for deals. I do the Rite Aid ad previews, so I need to be aware, really, of what coupons are available. And I don't have to go search a coupon database all the time, constantly, to figure out if we have a coupon for something or not, right? So that's why I do this. But like I said, it's not for everybody. There are people who, what they do is they watch social media for coupon deals, and they only clip the coupons out when there's a deal and they're going to be using the coupons. And that's fine if that's the style of couponing that you do, okay? So, yeah. I'm going to take my stuff out of my tote bag and then we can see what I carry with me all the time. Okay, so this is actually my third tote bag that I've used in 7 years because I wore 2 of them out. I carry it with me all the time, like I said. So, yeah. I picked this one up at a flea market a few months ago. So, but I think I've decided I really like it. It's a little smaller than the ones I've used in the past. And in the past, I have always had a 3-ring binder. And I had gotten up to using a 4-inch binder. And it was really kind of cumbersome to get out in a store and stuff like that and everything. So it fit in this bag, but when I got this and I was like, oh, it sticks out the top just a little bit, I thought, let me try something else. So I got these, I had these. I got them for a penny at Staples, back to school deals, these little notebooks. So I'll show you those. And I think I like this a lot better. It's a lot more manageable, and as opposed to that big 3-ring binder. So I always have some ink pens on me and some scrap paper. Those are leftover coupons from CVS in there. And always have scissors because, especially on Sundays when I get my newspaper and I'm going right straight to the store, I need to be able to cut my coupons up. And then I always got my rewards cards on me there. I keep a change purse with some cash and any gift cards that I have, so I have them with me all the time. And I keep, of course, change in there. And usually some paper clips. I got some paper clips in there. Okay, as for the coupons themselves, I always have some of these envelopes. They just come in junk mail, so I'm recycling them this way. And when they break, I can just throw them out. I just get another one out. I got a pile of them. I just keep all of them I get. So I have these envelopes that kind of divide up stuff that I want to, that's more active, that I need to keep track of right now and stuff. These are store coupons for Kroger, and I keep my CVS Extra Bucks in here. If I get any registered rewards from Walgreens, I'll keep them in here. Like these Catalina announcements I get, that kind of stuff. So I have that all the time, and I always have one for Rite Aid going. I might have 2 if, like, there's a lot of stuff coming up next week and I've already pulled out the coupons for it. I'll start having an envelope for next week. I'll keep, like, any of my Rite Aid coupons in here Anything that I'm using at Rite Aid, you know, for this week, and, you know, that I've gotten together. I got a couple of receipts in here. And easy to find. So sometimes I forget about a deal, and then I'm looking through my coupons in that envelope while I'm in the store, and then I was, oh yeah, I forgot to do this deal. I got my coupons right here for me, right? I keep one for other stores besides Rite Aid for active coupons that, you know, stuff I want to use. If I got something expiring, and, you know, in case I'm at a store and this coupon's expiring in this week, maybe I want to remind myself to look and see if I can find a deal to use it up. And, you know, things, I just printed these off of the internet to go get some more Activia at Walgreens or Walmart, because I bought a rebate reset or something. Look, I got one of these free Chobani yogurts. I need to use that. So things that I want to actively keep. That way, if I want to not take my whole binder in, if I'm just going in to do specific deals, I keep the coupons in an envelope, and then I can just take this envelope in the store with me, and I'm not taking my whole bag in the store. And then I like to keep all my receipts for this current week with me until I know, like, my rebates have cleared, in case I need to resubmit a receipt or have a problem that way, if I have something I need to return. So yeah, I did a lot of shopping this week. I got a lot of receipts. And then after that, I just put them in long-term storage. And then I've got coupons that I haven't got filed away for one reason or another. I've clipped them. Somebody gave me another insert, and I clipped them, and I just haven't had time to file them. Or like I just printed some off the internet or something like that. So that's the active stuff going on over there. I always keep a notebook with me at all times. I can write deals down as I'm looking on social media. If I see a deal I potentially want to do, I have a list going. You know, there's Walmart and things and I bought a couple for Kroger and Meyer, you know, things like that. So when I'm in the store, it reminds me what I'm looking for. I can check them off as I put them in the cart, you know, and I was looking to do 14 rebates, you know, so I was counting what I was doing. Anyways, and then keeping track of the different cards at Rite Aid, so that when I went up to the cash register, I could check off what I was doing and what I picked up. I know it's a big scribble mess, but it makes sense to me at the time. And then, and also, this is where I keep track of my Rite Aid reward money here, and then as I use it, I can mark it off, and then so that's really important. So I've just about used this up. I keep ideas for YouTube videos in here, anything that I need. So I always have this with me, and I can get it out, you know, keep track of stuff. The Rite Aid ads are with me all the time. So current ad, and then I got the next 2 weeks of ads in there as well. I'm always carrying those. If I have, like if I'm going into another store, I'll put the ad, because when I get the newspaper on Sundays, all the ads that I potentially want to use that week, I'll keep in my car. And then if I'm going into the store, I'll throw them in my bag and keep track of them there. I haven't cut my inserts this week. I'm really bad. Okay, so I haven't had time to do that. I've been doing so much shopping this week. It's like I need to cut those. So, and then when I get them cut, I'll stick them in these folders. And actually, I'll show you the green one last. I use different colors, so because I got them divided up into categories. And when I'm in the store, I'm like, okay, that one's in the purple one. Yeah, so, and I use these baseball sleeve holders right here. You can pick these up at Staples or Walmart, or Dollar Tree's had them. I don't know if they do right now. I haven't had any problem per se with anyone's even getting the cheap ones at Dollar Tree. Yeah. You can pay more at Staples if you want to. Buy them online, whatever. They have some with larger pockets, but these work fine. I do have to fold coupons to get them in there, but it works for me. I've been doing this for years. And I have categories. So here's toothpaste, and then mouthwash and toothbrushes, you know, razors. So I just have everything lumped together in its category how I would find it in the store. So shampoos together, there's a lot of shampoo, lotions, body wash, skincare, and I got all the cosmetics back here. And let's see, in the red one I got medicine, and vitamins. So I just make categories: cold medicines, allergy medicines, eye care, skincare has its own, you know, just divide it up. So like here's nutritional drinks and weight loss supplements go there, and vitamins here. And in the blue one I have food, and it's the biggest one that I have. I probably have about 300 of these sheets. I'm not sure exactly. I haven't counted them in a while, but I stuffed as many in there as I could get to fit into this folder. But if you can imagine, when I had that, all of these fit in comfortably into a 4-inch binder. And sometimes the binder would be popped open, but I'm not loaded down. They're not, you can see that sometimes every one of these slots are full, and sometimes I have them double stacked. But yeah, they're kind of loose right now. I got like refrigerated foods, then frozen foods up here, and drinks, and, you know, just different categories. Canned goods, I'll have like all the soup on the same page. Canned meat products, baked goods, that kind of stuff. Because you kind of think about how the grocery store's laid out. That's kind of how you want to keep your coupons, so they're easy to find. Bread products, cereal, cereal bar things, snacks, and I got candy in the back. And then in the green one, is for like everything else. So cleaning supplies, I keep all the laundry soap together, the dish soaps together, and then I go into like cleaning supplies, and there's always lots of that. I got feminine care products, baby products here, and paper, towels, Kleenex, tissues, and stuff like that, toilet paper, and then garbage bags, and then normally I have a lot more here in the food storage containers. I got like Reynolds wrap, Ziploc bags, that kind of stuff go there, and it's kind of empty back here in the back. This is like miscellaneous stuff, you know, like tapes and a crock pot, you know, whatever. Miscellaneous things that, you know, there might be like back to school time, I'll have like 2 or 3 pages of back to school stuff. Mead supplies, Bic pens, that kind of thing back here. And then back here, I keep the air fresheners because I don't buy them a lot. And I happen to see, I like to keep all of my coupons, but I don't take the time to clip up these air fresheners because I rarely use them. But I did use that Airwick coupon, so I was glad that I kept them. And pet supplies, I don't buy a lot of pet supplies, but like I'll just snip them in the small chunks and stick them back here in case somebody finds a deal on them or something comes up and I need them. Somebody asks me if I have any pet supply coupons. I still have them. I just don't take the time to put them in up here. So like I said, you know, I'm constantly moving coupons in and out of here because, and then so I'm looking at them all the time. It keeps me aware of what coupons I have because I can just go right here. What kind of Lysol coupons do I have? Well, they're all right here on this one page together, you know. That's the way I organize my coupons. I'll talk to you guys later.